Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to change WhatsApp language back to English from any other language. Let's go. If you accidentally change the language on your WhatsApp to a language you do not understand, then using WhatsApp will be impossible for you. WhatsApp facilitates communication between friends and family members who live in different countries and continents, thanks to internet messaging and the later addition of voice and video calls. But if you accidentally changed its language to another one that you do not understand, then WhatsApp will be of no use for you. First of all, open up the WhatsApp application. Then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the last option, which is Settings. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down and tap on the globe icon. Which is the option to change language in WhatsApp. All you have to do next is select English from the list of available languages. Once you have selected English as the app language, your WhatsApp will be back in English. Now you can navigate through the app and understand all the options easily. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.